in accordance with the SOPs. It is important to highlight that flight path of this object endangered many international and domestic passenger flights both in Indian and Pakistani airspace, as well as human life and property on ground. Whatever caused this incident to happen, it is for the Indians to explain. It nevertheless shows their disregard for aviation safety and reflects very poorly on their technological prowess and procedural efficiency. The incident could have resulted in a major aviation disaster as well as civilian casualties on ground. Pakistan strongly protests this flagrant violation and cautions against recurrence of any such incident in future. Now, I would like to call upon Air Vice Marshal Tariq Zia to explain the technical details of the incident. Sir.
Thank you, General Baba.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. I'll go over the details of the incident which happened yesterday. During our routine surveillance yesterday on the 9th of March at 1843 hours, we picked up high-speed object close to Sirsa. The initial pickup was 104 kilometers inside the Indian territory from the closest part of the international border. This object was picked up at high altitude, which was around 40,000 feet, and it was traveling at speed in excess of Mach 2.5 and ultimately ending up at Mach 3. The initial course of this projectile was on a southwesterly heading, and it appeared to initially go towards the Mahajan field firing ranges, which is southwest of Suratgarh at this place. However, once it had traveled around 70 to 80 kilometers on this heading, it took a right track change while maintaining the same altitude and speeds and started to head northwest towards the Pakistan.